What can he do to make this easier? He just really needs to release.
Take a deep breath for me. Oh, okay. All right, take another deep breath. Okay, well, I'm not seeing anything abnormal yet.
Nothing? Oh,
no, but you know what?
Hurts so
sometimes
much,
a good cough can help you really clear out that blockage. Yeah. Okay, how's that feeling? Is that feeling better now?
I mean, a little bit, but it's still, I can just...
He's in a lot of pain, Doc. I think you just need to check it out. I think you need to go in there and check it out.
And you're sure it's on this back side of your body?